Hi, Ryan Hanley here from Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently. In particular, we answer questions like the one we're going to answer today in an effort to give you the knowledge to make the right decision about your commercial insurance needs. Now, today we're going to answer, how much does commercial auto insurance cost? Now, I don't want to bury the lead because I'm assuming what you're really looking for is a number. And unfortunately, that number has a very wide range. In general, if you're talking about a liability-only policy on an old commercial vehicle, like a truck that you're just driving around to do some handyman work, you might be looking at somewhere around $1,000, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. If you're driving a vehicle that does have comp and collision, that is going to many jobs, that has branding on it, that may have a rack that may be containing different equipment, may have different hitching, maybe towing stuff, you're going to be looking closer to $2,000 or more, depending on how many vehicles you have, what those vehicles are doing. Now, there are several factors that play into what the cost of your commercial auto insurance is going to be. Some of these factors will sound very similar to your personal insurance. Make, model, year of the vehicle. What does the vehicle cost new? Some of them that are particular to a commercial auto insurance policy is, what is the gross weight of the vehicle? Now, if your commercial auto is a car, not a huge issue, but if it's a truck, if you're getting into the, say, if you're driving a Ford, an F-250, an F-350, some of these larger, heavy-duty work trucks, those trucks will have an increased cost because of the gross weight of that vehicle. Then you can have more standard items like, what is the driving record or history of the primary driver, the employee who primarily drives that vehicle? What is the claims history for that particular vehicle? And then for commercial auto, something else that's unique is, what are the specific usage of that vehicle? Where on your personal auto, it's usually work or pleasure. For a commercial vehicle, are you going to be towing things? Do you do deliveries? Are there any equipment, additional equipment on that vehicle that it performs different functions, like a bucket loader? There's all types of different apparatus that can be appended onto a commercial truck or a commercial vehicle that could increase the cost to insure that particular vehicle. Depending on what coverage options you choose, those can also increase the rate, depending on the deductible you choose for your comp and collision, your physical damage coverages. And then, how many commercial autos do you have scheduled on your policy? Different carriers will give discounts depending on the number of vehicles that you are insuring. So there are many different factors that go into a commercial auto insurance policy, but really many of them are very similar to a personal auto policy, except for, additional items attached to the vehicle, the particular usage of the vehicle, the gross weight of the vehicle are three that are unique to a commercial auto insurance policy. If you have questions about commercial auto insurance, if you think that you may be overpaying for commercial auto, or if you do not think that your commercial auto is currently placed with the appropriate carrier, or if your insurance professional doesn't have conversations with you like this one, we would love to work with you here at Rogue Risk. You can call us anytime, 518-960-6600, or visit us online at roguerisk.com to start a conversation today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep fighting, my friends.